BodyViz uses real patient data in the form of CTs and MRIs to create 3D renders. This means that any DICOM can be converted into BodyViz files for use in the software. DICOM is a type of data that stores medical images and information. This feature of BodyViz allows you to see your knee MRI in 3D, scan cadavers to create educational BodyViz files, or view unique scans in your library. Remember that patient scans may contain personal information and that DICOM should be anonymized before distribution in compliance with HIPAA. To begin importing your own DICOM, navigate to the File dropdown in the menu bar. Select Import DICOM. This will bring up a new window. Click the Find Folder button to open your File Explorer. Select the folder in your directory containing the DICOM files you wish to visualize in 3D using BodyViz. For this example, I will be selecting the folder containing the DICOM of one of our essential datasets, cardiac CT. Your DICOM file should have the file extension .dcm, the DICOM file extension, to properly load into BodyViz. Click Select Folder to choose the cardiac CT DICOM, then Find DICOM. BodyViz will now scan through the folder to locate any DICOM files within. Once the DICOM has been found, the Import DICOM dialog box will advance to the Select Studies to Import page. The location of the folder that you selected will be listed with a checklist of all studies within that folder. Information such as patient name, scan date, and number of slices help to identify which studies are listed in the dialog. The number of studies is variable depending on how many studies are within the DICOM folder. For example, a patient may have multiple studies completed over time, or you may simply have a folder filled with an array of patient scans. Check the box on the left side to select the study for conversion into a BodyViz file, then press Continue. The Import DICOM dialog will advance to the Edit File Details page. This is where you will decide the name of the BodyViz file created from your scan. By default, the name of the BodyViz file is DICOM. In this case, I will name the file Cardiac CT BVF. Finally, the Import DICOM dialog will advance to the Select Export Folder page. Click the Find Folder button to point BodyViz to a location where you would like to place the converted BodyViz file. Now, click Import Studies. BodyViz will buffer while it converts the file. In the Results page, the converted file or files will be listed with their locations on your machine. You now have a BodyViz file created from DICOM, ready for you to use. Add the newly created BodyViz file to your My BodyViz library, or navigate to its export location and double-click to open it directly in the BodyViz software. You may also go to File and click Open BVF to open the BodyViz file from there.